Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that can occur when working with Excel ranges in VBA. The issue at hand is trying to retrieve cell addresses in the external format, including workbook and worksheet names, but not getting the desired output even after setting the external parameter to true. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of this problem. Now, let's delve into the solution provided to tackle this conundrum. The key lies in the configuration of the Range.Address method, where setting the parameters in a specific order is crucial. The method signature entails specifying row absolute, column absolute, reference style, external, and relative to. Focus on arranging these parameters correctly to ensure the external format is captured accurately. Building on the initial solution, let's fine-tune the parameters to align with the desired outcome. By setting the Boolean values for row absolute and column absolute to false and the reference style to XLA1, we pave the way for retrieving the external address format. Additionally, emphasizing the importance of setting the external parameter to true cannot be overstated in this context. Continuing with our solution journey, let's emphasize the significance of ordering the parameters in DISPPARAMS correctly. Remember, the sequence matters, and in this scenario, we arrange the parameters in reverse order to correspond with the Range.Address method signature. Prioritizing this step ensures that the external address format is retrieved accurately. Wrapping up our exploration of the solution, we reinforce the importance of following the prescribed method for setting up the DISPPARAMS and invoking the Range.Address method. By adhering to the outline structure and parameter configurations, you can successfully extract the external format of cell addresses in Excel. And there you have a comprehensive guide to addressing the dependency quandary in Excel VBA. Remember, stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Who knows, your next Excel conundrum might just be the topic of our next video. See you next time.